Here it says this parallel box and whisker plot compares the time students in year 10 and year 12 spent on homework over a 1 week period. Um, Part A says find a 5 number summarized for each year group. Here I write the 5 number summarized that we have for 10 year and for 12. I write here the median here for 10 year is a box and whisker plot here for 10 year. So median is in this line, vertical line. I bring it down to see it's 9. So I write it 9. Median for 10 is 9. How about for this one, for 12 year would be 12. So median for 10 would be 9 and for 12 would be 12. And now I will go for max. Max for 10 year would be 15. For 12 would be 17. Now I will go for minimum. Minimum here is 4. And for the 12 would be 8. Lower in quartile Q1 for the 10 would be 6.5. That is here 6.5. And here would be 10. And upper in quartile for 10 year would be upper in quartile is here. It's Q1, it's median, it's Q3, it's max, and it's mean. All the 5 information I can get from box and whisker plot. Okay, so I am gonna find the upper interval that would be here 11. For 12 year would be 60. Okay. For range, part B says for each group, determine their range for 10 year and for 12 year. For 10 year, the range we know is maximum minus minimum. For 10 year, 15 minus 4 gives me 15 minus 4 gives me 11. It's my range for 10 year. For 12 year, range would be 6, maximum 17 minus 8. And for 17 minus 8, again would be 11. Now I will go for part 2 as for interquartile range, RIQR, for 10 year and for 12. For 10 year, interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So for 10 year would be 11 minus 6.5. That gives me 4.5. And for the 12 would be Q3 minus 10. So with 16 minus 10 would be 6.